What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Alexis. Normally I do house videos, home decor videos, but for those of you that have been subscribed for a little bit now, you know that I used to do hair videos as well. So today I am coming at you guys with another hair video. So yes, today I am wearing a headband wig from Yolissa hair. Basically, a headband wig is a wig that is sewn and attached to a headband, so that you don't really have to sew it in or do anything crazy like that. You just literally snap it on with Velcro in the back. I've had this hair for a little bit now, and I wanted to test it out before coming forward on my channel and recommending it to you guys to make sure that it was of good quality. And I will say that I have thoroughly enjoyed wearing this hair. It is one of the most convenient things I've ever tried, and that is no lie. So sis, let's get into this hair. Like I said, I already opened up this box, so that's why it's a little bit torn, but this is how the packaging looks. It came with a wig cap. It also came with different headband options that you can include with the original black headband that comes on the wig, which I thought was really cool to include just because I wasn't about to go buy a whole bunch more. And it also came with some lashes, as well as the care instructions, and then the hair. This is what the hair looks like. It's a yaki straight texture. I will include all of the specs in the description box. It comes with the headband on top, 3 clips on the front, and 2 clips on the back. Pretty straightforward. I will say this wig is very easy to put on and pull off, like pull off style wise, but take off your head as well. So getting into the prep of it, so as far as how I prep my hair, I know you can braid your hair back, be a little bit more technical, but to make it even more convenient and easy, I like to just put my hair in a bun and then pin up some of the extra hair just so that it's a little bit more flat, and that has worked perfectly for me, so it's very low maintenance. So taking my wig cap, I'm just going to put it on my head and stop it about right there. Ooh. Right, and then for the main event, the install. Open up all of the clips. Put the back ones on first. Very easy. And then the front ones. Clip it right above where I have my wig cap. Just like that. Then take the ends. And just like that, it's on your head, sis. You can also just tuck the sides under the headband like that. That's what I've been doing if it starts to poke out. And it's super comfortable. Like, it's not a lot of tugging on my head or anything. I know you can like straighten it more or like wand curl it and do different things with it if you want to. This hair is how it was straight out the box. I haven't washed it or done anything with it yet because I wanted you guys to just see what it naturally looked like. Like I said, I am interested to maybe test different things with it, like doing wand curls or just different styles. So let's test out some of these headbands that they included. So this first one, I'll try out this red one. To apply additional headbands, all you have to do is put it literally right on top of the black one and pull your hair from out of it. I think another thing I like about this hair is that This is the reason why I didn't want to straighten it. I like that the roots are a little bit wavy because it has a better transition coming from my natural hair to the yaki hair, so that I don't have to, you know, manipulate it too much to make it seem like it's flowing in through naturally. So I definitely like that. Give you guys a little close up so you can see what I mean. And normally I don't wear headbands like this, but this is actually super cute. I might use this on other hairstyles too. Nice little low messy bun. Alright guys, let me know in the comments down below which headband you liked the most. What are your initial thoughts when looking at this on me, this headband wig? I feel like it's pretty natural looking. I don't know. I like it. It's like super convenient. It's so easy. When I say it's so easy to plop this thing on and just go, and it looks like, you know, you actually took care of yourself. The overall review and my initial thoughts on the hair. One, I would say the hair is pretty thick, which I think is a good thing. This is the yaki straight hair, and it's pretty full, so I definitely like that. It's not too big on my hair, I would say, but I definitely will pull like a little bit to the front and then leave the rest in the back, so it's not like so much. But even when you pull all of it to the front, it's not super crazy. Two, I feel like I haven't tried any of this, but I feel like you can do some fun little things with this hair, like putting wand curls in or straightening it out some more. I haven't tried that because I wanted to come to you guys with how it looks straight out of the box. I haven't even washed it, but just so you can see the natural texture of the hair, I feel like you can, you know, do some cute stuff with it. So yeah guys, definitely check out Yolissa Hair if you're interested in trying out a headband wig as well, or any of their other hair options that they have on site. I'll have all of that important information in the description box below, as well as a discount code to get some money off your purchase. So definitely check that out. But yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Turn on your post notifications to be updated every time I upload. I know I've already mentioned this in previous videos, but my final house tour is coming very soon, so you don't want to miss that. Make sure that you have your post notifications on so that you know when I post that video. But until next time, I'm going to rock this hair, and I will see you guys later.